Okay, just a quick blog. If your computer has got your brightness will be gone. If you're something like updating like a software or something, a video card, then your brightness in your laptop will be gone. So just a quick fix. This one will be your quick fix. Go to this one, files, like this one. Then click this PC. Then go to manage. Okay. Then after the manage, go to the device manager. Okay. Then after the device manager, go to display adapters, right? Yeah. Okay. I've got two display adapters. If you're updating something like your graphics card, so just click any of your graphics card, right? So my graphics card I am using right now is the Intel. This is the main graphics card that I'm using in this laptop. Then go to properties. Okay. Then go to driver, and if there's a rollback in the icon here, if it's not grayed out, just go to rollback the driver. If not, go to the update driver, then click the browse, then click this let me pick, then click this Intel UHD graphics. Okay, then next, then it will be the other, and the next one is updating the other driver. If you had a two video card, but if just only one, just click that update driver, and after that go to your display, right? You go to your monitors, right? Sorry. And just the same as the video card, go to your driver, and if there's a click in the rollback, you can roll back the driver. If not, go to the update driver, then browse, then let me pick, then still click the one that is generic PNP monitor. Okay, then after that, check your brightness here if you are using Windows 10 or 11. Okay, this will be a quick fix for the problem that if your brightness will be gone. Okay, and if there's any your comment and suggestions, please like and subscribe, and thank you.